Guys, welcome back to Swapnil Codes. And in this video, I'm not gonna code. I will make ChatGPT to make write code for me. So let's begin. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it and make sure that you have enabled all the notifications, because whenever I upload a new video, if you haven't turned all the notification, then you won't get notified by a new video by YouTube. So please, if you haven't enabled all the notifications, then please make it enabled so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's begin today's video. Okay. Uh, let's uh, let's start from greeting chat gpt. Hello chat gpt. Okay, hello, how can I assist you today? Okay, so I want you to create a to-do list. So basically, in this video, I'm going to I'm going to create a to-do list application in JavaScript with the help of ChatGPT. So this is the prompt where I'm going to give to a ChatGPT, or rather, I'm just going to write the code I want it from ChatGPT, or I want ChatGPT to generate for me. Okay, basically these are the same things. Okay, I want you to create a to-do list using JavaScript and use Bootstrap for user interface. I'm just gonna click on this send button and wait till the ChatGPT gives us a response. So ChatGPT is generating response for us, and I'm so excited for that. Okay, ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT has given us a response. I'm just gonna copy this code and into my VS Code. I'm just gonna paste it right here. Okay, guys, I have pasted the code, and I'm using a VS Code's live code extension so that I won't have to always type manual code like C/YouTube and blah 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 directly. So I'm just gonna click on the go live button, and it will open this code into my browser. If you don't know how to install that extension, so in your VS Code, click on this extensions button and search for live server, and here we'll get the first extension. Click on it and make sure. And actually, guys, I have already installed that extension. That's why I'm getting uninstalled. But I mean, the button is the uninstall button is being shown. So if you haven't installed that extension, then the install button will be shown in your computer or a laptop. So I'm just gonna close it. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna close it as well. So just gonna close it as well. And okay, see guys, we have got the code from the chat gpt. And okay, here I have run the code, and let's start, I mean, adding some tasks. Okay, watching anime, and click on the add button. Okay, the task has been added, and ChatGPT has given us a delete button as well. So another task, I'm just gonna add coding, add, wow. And another task will be reading. Okay, and one more, spending time with my kitty. Meow. Okay, that's for fun. Sorry. I'm just kidding. Just click on the delete button. Oh, guys, whenever I click on the delete button, it deletes. So no big deal. ChatGPT has given that bonus functionality. So here you will see the blah. I'm gonna type something blah 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 whatever, and click on the add. Here you will see, guys, there is no edit button. So I'm just gonna ask the chat gpt to add edit button. So let's send another message. Hey chat gpt, please add edit task functionality to the given code that you have provided to me. Okay, and let's wait until ChatGPT gives us a response with that edit button. um Okay, I think it has given us a code. In that code it contains a model. Okay, let's see. ChatGPT is still giving us a response, and what happened? Sorry. Okay, continue generating, and it seems done. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this code again, and I'm gonna remove the previous code and copy the new code. Okay. mm, watching watching anime, and gonna click on the add button. Okay, here we have the edit button. Okay, it seems it would look, it would be look nicer if these buttons are here, but okay, no worries. Let's click on the edit button. Okay, what's wrong with it? Where is this coming from? Edit and delete. Okay, let's rename it to reading. Save changes. Okay, it has changed it to reading, but the buttons have been disappeared. Okay, tell the chat GPT that what we uh, let's tell the chat GPT that we have got some errors. Hey chat GPT, when I click on the edit button, it gave me edit and delete text with that task name, and when I updated the task, the edit and the delete button got disappeared. I don't know why it happened. Maybe there might be a bug in the code. Okay, apologies for the confusion. I have updated the code, fix the issue, and ensure that the edit and delete buttons remain visible after updating the task. Okay, please use the following modified code. Okay, sure, ChatGPT. I'm gonna use the code that you are providing. Okay, I'm just waiting until you finish your response. I'm so excited. Okay, continue generating. Mm, and it seems it's done. Copy code and paste it out here. Refresh this page. Let's say coding, add, edit. Still, we are getting those buttons edit to reading, books, and what, and nothing. Okay, let's see, save changes. Yeah, this button got disappeared again. Hey chat GPT, I tried this code that you have provided, but the issue remained the same. It did not get fixed. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT says. Hmm, I'm hoping that it will give us another code. Okay, apologies for the confusion again. It seems I have made an oversight to the previous code. Okay, okay, it's okay, ChatGPT. I forgive you. No worries. Hmm. ChatGPT is giving us a response. Okay, to resolve this issue, we need to handle edit and delete buttons separately from the edit model. Here's the update. Okay, and okay, continues generating, and let me refresh this page. Okay, copy code, Control A, Control V. Let's refresh this page. Task will be walking, or it can be anything. I'm just adding randomly. Okay, edit button. Okay guys, it seems that these buttons did not come with the text. Okay, from walking to sleeping. Okay, save changes. Okay, it works fine, no worries. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT to add done button to this code. Okay, okay, we must tell that ChatGPT that the issue has been fixed. Hey ChatGPT, the issue has been fixed. Now Now these buttons, the button, okay, it's buttons, so the buttons do not disappear, okay, but now I want um, task as, or I want mark as completed button, so that whenever I click on that button, it will make that task as completed. Okay, let's see what kind of code ChatGPT will give us to us. Okay, certainly I have updated the code, include a mark as completed. Okay, functionality button for each task. Okay, when you click on the button, it will toggle completed status of the task. Here's the modified code. Okay, ChatGPT is generating code, and okay, let's see how much code it generates. It seems code is pretty difficult. I don't think that much pretty difficult, but it's kind of unless every code is difficult unless and until you understand it. Okay, ChatGPT. Okay, let's copy the code and paste it right here. Remove the old code. Control A, Control V, and refresh this page. Um, recording a view. Sorry, recording a YouTube video ad. Okay, okay, guys. Here you will see ChatGPT has given us a mark as completed button. So let's see what happens when we click on this button. Mark as completed. Nothing happens. I thought it will create a strike through into this text. Okay, let's ChatGPT know that. Hey, sorry. Hey, Chat GPT. When I click on the mark as completed button, but nothing happens. I want you to wrap that task into the delete tag, so that I will be able able I will be able to verify that the task is completed. Okay, let's press enter and see what kind of code ChatGPT provides. Okay, apologies for the oversight. It's okay, ChatGPT. I forgive you. Okay, to wrap the completed one related tag, we need to modify the code. Okay. Mm, okay. It seems ChatGPT's response is pretty slow. Maybe I have a, I mean, slow internet. Okay. Yeah, I'm suffering from slow internet phobia, whatever it is. Okay, click on the continue generating. Till then, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it, because I have uploaded more videos. I have uploaded a lot of videos on landing pages, and say, let's say, jQuery and JavaScript, React, Flutter, Laravel, and so on. Okay, okay. It seems ChatGPT's response has been completed. So just copy the code and right here click on Control V. Okay, it seems the page has been already um, refreshed. So I'm just tired of typing, reading, cooking, watching anime, and blah blah blah. I'm just gonna type randomly anything. Click on the add button. Click on the market completed. Okay, still nothing works. Nothing happens. I don't know why. Why is that happening? Okay, ChatGPT still not working when I click on the mark as completed button. Okay. Mm, please, when I click on that button, change the background color color for that particular task so that I will be able to understand that the particular task has been completed. Okay. Okay, apologies for the confusion. Okay, ChatGPT, no worries. I forgive you all the time because you have helped me a lot in the past. You are still helping, and you will help me in the future as well. I'm I'm hoping that you will. Okay, it seems the video is getting pretty lengthy and the long as well. Basically, both has the same meaning. Okay. Okay, let's copy this and paste it right here. Refresh something, add. Okay, finally ChatGPT has added some like background color so that we'll easily figure out that this task is completed or some is not. Okay, another. Okay, I mean that's fine. Okay, now we can easily figure out that which task is completed or which isn't. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and please let me know in the comments below which next video should I make on the topic. So please share it with your friends, those who want to learn about the programming, those who are like on intermediate level and so on. So please share this channel with them, and this this video as well. I mean, the video you want them to watch. I want you to all the videos so you will get the better idea how APIs calls, how we can call APIs and all that blah 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 blah. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.